Hi guys, in this video I wanted to go through what you should actually include in your website as a freelancer so that you look professional but you don't have extra stuff that you don't really need in there. So I thought I would just show you an example, and this is the one that's actually included in my freelancer starter stack. So I just thought I would go through it and show you exactly what it includes so you can see what you might need. I might move myself to this side out of the way. So in the template itself, you'll see that there's a few essential sections that you need. So basically, you're going to have your hero section here, which sort of gives people an idea of what you do straight away at a glance. And you've got your navigation up the top here. So you've got home, about, services, your portfolio, and how to contact you. So having that at the top makes it really handy for people to be able to navigate really quickly. And you only have, a few seconds to grab people's attention when they get to your website. So you really want to be able to make it smooth and make it so that they can just find their way around really easily. So basically, if you scroll down through this template, you can see we've got some sections here. So you can link to things. So you could put a specific product here, like a digital product that you are promoting or a service. You could put any information that you wanted here and just link it all together. You can also write a bit about yourself or what it is you offer. Anything you like could go in there. And then you've got your services here. So you can list out your services. And then you would have a contact section at the bottom. But if we go through what's actually at the top, you'll see here. So if we go to the about section, this is where you can sort of have a bit more about yourself. You can add in your skills, you can have testimonials, your services, any recent projects that you've worked on, etc. Then if you were to go to services, you can expand on that a bit more and list out some more information about your services. Now you don't need to fill out all of these, just select the one that works for you. So you can just delete the ones that don't. Then you've got portfolio. So this is just showcasing what you can do to help people. So you can simply just go through and choose whatever sort of style suits you. Fill out some images. Also has your services there as well. Because you always want to be showing people what it is that you do, and you always want to be showing them how you can help them. And then on your contact us page, it's just a very simple contact us page. You can put a bit of information here on any guidelines or when you work, etc., like how they can contact you or how they could get on a call with you, anything like that you could fill in here. So this is the whole template. So basically it's your first page, like your main home page. Then you have the about section. Then you have your services section, then portfolio, and then your contact page. So they're the main sections that you need in your website. So I don't want you to fall into a trap of endlessly tweaking your website. So that's why I have this template available for you if you buy the starter stack. And that way you can really set this up really quickly. It's been professionally designed by a graphic designer, my good friend Jessa Bellman, and she has also included a mini course on how to create it all, how to set it all up, and how to link it all together. So you can go through that training and you could have your own website up within an hour or two, fully filled out and ready to go and promote yourself. So my main focus here is I don't want you to overthink it, and I don't want you to spend heaps of time tweaking it because that gets you nowhere. You just want to set it up the once and then move on, and then only come back and tweak it. Once you've got customers and you know exactly what you're doing, then you can come back and you can update it. But in the beginning, it's just a landing place, a place for people to see exactly what you offer, how you can help them, why you're the right person to help them, and how they can get in touch with you. And once you have all of that in this one website, that's all you need to get started and to start actually getting customers. So as you can see, it's a nice, clean, easy to navigate website template. And so that is available in the Freelancer Starter Stack, and I will leave a link to the Starter Stack in the comments. So if you're interested in buying it, you can grab it from there.